Eggplant Caponata. We've got some roasted eggplant. We've got some Calabrian chili paste, Kalamata olive, sliced thin shallot, fresh tomato, the secret weapon, Muti double concentrated tomato paste, sliced garlic, bazinagol, aka basil, and some capers. This is our house-style caponata, and it doesn't include any anchovy. Let's get started. First up, Frontoia, olive oil. Now we've got some garlic and some shallot. As always, we're gonna get that going. Season along the way. Okay, so our garlic is brown. And because we don't use anchovy, basically what we're doing is making what we call in-house a tomato basil sauce. So that tomato basil sauce is really just a little bit of that muti that we always caramelize and activate our tomato paste. And because we like a little bit of spice with this dish, just to kind of give it an extra punch, we always use our Calabrian chili paste. So just a touch. It smells unbelievable. That chili paste is the best. Combined with the muti tomato paste, there's really not a better combination. Okay, so at this point, what we like to do is we like to add a little bit of pasta water. And that kind of helps brings it all together to create a pan sauce, all right? From there, we're gonna start to add our other ingredients. Here's our capers, here's our Kalamata olives, a little bit of chopped fresh tomato for some freshness. Bring that all together. And that's the base of our caponata. Okay, so what we've done is we've roasted our eggplant off to help kind of speed up the cooking process a little bit and bring out some of that natural sweetness and get rid of some of that bitterness. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna saute that all together. I'm gonna let this come up, and what I like to do is season along the way, a little extra seasoning, okay? We're gonna throw some basil in here now, kind of get that basil flavor permeating through the dish. Little touch of butter at the end. Little bit more basil to finish. Now we're ready to plate. Wow, that's good. That's even better. Now we need